Hear that? In Philippines, it's literally 10 p.m. here. Okay. Mami, nagla-live stream po ako sa YouTube. Let's look at that. Just look.
Excuse!
That it's flooding outside.
Excuse!
Okay. You're... Please! Also, alam mo na prepare na tayo. Not yet.
So! Sinyawa ka man.
I think the rain's gonna start again a bit of later. We just in case we need to prepare. Sit. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Just look. What the fuck? Oh, why did I say a bad word? No way. Yeah. There's no water here today. The water's the supply is gone. Because I don't know. My mom told me.
Marina, not go down mo. Chiso, husband do, and then all namja.
Mommy, why against Doda, I think we need to prepare. Dala din yung kumon na.
Mommy, why against water?
Just in case we...
But tapos na tayo sa kumain.
Hindi pa tapos sa kumon ko. One common worksheet na lang hindi. It's so subtle.